Hi friends, we are back with the Irish Crochet book. Today we're making motif number 26. The piece looks a little bit like this. Quite a nice cute embellishment to add to any project that you may be making, whether it's a pillow, whether it's a jacket, a coat, a handbag, anything at all. I'm using this standard green yarn that I've got laying around, a 3.5mm crochet hook. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. It just helps other crocheters find my videos. Let's get into it. We're going to go ahead, secure our yarn. I secure my yarn just by twisting it like this. We're going to do 5 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and slip stitch or single crochet in the first chain space there. Like that. We're going to drop 8 single crochets in this center space here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to slip stitch into the first chain space here. Now in each chain space we're going to make a petal. So we are going to chain 3 and we're going to make a puff stitch in exactly the same chain space. Puff stitch means pick up some yarn, go through the chain, pick up some yarn. We're going to go back and forth 4 times. So go back, pick up some yarn, 2, go back, pick up some yarn, 3, go back, pick up some yarn, 4. You've got all these strands of yarn on the hook. Pull through all of them. Like that. Now chain 3 to get back down. And we are going to go ahead and slip stitch in the same chain space like that. That is our first petal. Head on over to the next chain space and just slip stitch into it. We're going to repeat this pattern all the way around until we've got 8 petals on this flower. So I should do one more with you. Chain 3 and we're going to make a puff stitch in the same chain space. So in that chain space, pick up some yarn, back and forth 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull through all of these chains. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the same chain space. Head on over into the next chain space and we're going to repeat this pattern all the way around. So I am going to speed up a little bit. So I've just added my final petal and this is what the flower looks like. What I do want to mention with this piece is your center space is quite tight because the expectation is you must work 1 petal into literally 1 chain. This can be a little bit ambitious at times. So if this is difficult for you to do, don't hesitate to double the chains on the base. So you can do 16 chains if you need to. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye bye.